here on Bayshore Boulevard cleaning up the Gasparilla Day Parade. Nowadays, we're using the street sweepers. So what you see on the street, we scatter it around, and the street sweepers are the actual ones that pick up the majority of the trash. I've been with the city for 35 years. I started in 1988. I love what I do. I just love the people I work with. I love the interaction with the customers. I love making a difference in my community, making a difference for people that use our community, our recreation centers, our sites. So just changing the life of the individuals out there is very rewarding.